is the timing chain tensioner that you're looking at right now. I can't even see the camera screen because this light's so bright. 2 bolts, and I believe they are 10 or 12. It's 10 or 12, one or the other. I'll put it on the screen when I figure it out. Here's our tensioner. Looking at these 2 different gaskets, I'm 90% sure I found the issue. This metal gasket is super flat. It's basically completely flat. A gasket cannot be completely flat because if it is, it's not gonna seal, especially if it's a gasket that's sealing in fluids and not just air like an exhaust gasket. This certified OEM timing chain tensioner gasket might look flat from the paper. Let me open it. I don't know why it's not open. You can actually see really good that it has that ripple, and what that's gonna do is completely seal everything when we put it on. Instead of it just being flat where the fluids could leak past, there's basically a ripple. I believe the tensioner might be somewhat hydraulically controlled, which means it needs oil pressure in order to perform correctly. Since I squeezed everything out, it doesn't have the oil pressure it needs to form the right way. So obviously before I start the motor, I'm gonna do the little oil trick where we just crank it a bunch of times to build pressure. Valve cover's back on. I just gotta put in the ignition coils and then the ignition coil cover. The timing chain tensioner gasket is changed and timing was verified. We are ready to go for tomorrow, which is our alignment. Okay, so we're in the car right now. I did prime the chain tensioner before I started this. I'm headed to Champion right now to get the alignment. I'm running a bit late, so I'll see you guys when I'm there.
You got this fantasy in your head about getting out of the life that let other worlds in. What the fuck are you gonna do except hustle?
It's probably the scariest thing I've ever done in this car.
When I'm doing the front, I'll just have you go in and hold the wheel straight.
The camber is at like -0.3.
-0.3?
Yeah. Or like -0.5. Just like a tad bit of negative camber in the back.
And then you need to think about what you want for the front here.
What the?
So it's something that you did. Oh. I edited that.
Kids by kids.
Yeah. Hold on.
Jesus Christ. Oh, jeez. You guys are so weird. I can't even see it. Oh yeah, I can.
You can't.
That's so stupid. So rear toe is just horribly out of spec. -11 on one side, -2 on one side. That's pretty bad. I wonder if the car will transition differently once we align it properly. So I do have an issue on transition of the car basically stopping midway through the transition. And I wonder if this would allow me to sweep the whole car smoothly when I'm transitioning. Just, this is bad. I'm glad I did this. Okay, so I'm at work right now grabbing some stuff so we can start the race spec wiring on Luke's window switches. And the alignment that Brandon did is so much better. Those numbers were really, really bad, but they're all fixed now. So we're doing 0 toe on the front, -3.2 degrees of camber. Caster in the front, I wanted to push it back to 7 degrees. I still need to do some more research on caster. If you guys know the numbers and everything and want to help me out, let me know in the comments below. What I want to do is get it as close to vertical as I can. That'll allow the car to be more snappy and everything. Obviously, I don't want to make a huge adjustment now because then I'm going to drive and the car is going to be completely different. We also did raise the car, so that might have contributed to throwing off my alignment, but it's fixed now. Hopefully we can get a driving test session in soon to see how the car reacts. It should be so much better. So the back is 0 toe, -0.3, -0.5 camber in the back. In the front, 0 toe again with about -3.2 degrees of camber, 8.7 degrees positive caster. You drift this car?
No, but it has a logo there, so I can't.
Oh, it does?
I mean, also, I also wouldn't want you to like start drifting it and then stuff starts breaking and it's drifting car and everything. Yeah, but still, like, anytime you drift a car, it's just like more prone to having issues. So it's like, this thing is dope. I like that it's white, obviously. Oh hell yeah, we got so much space to work with. We got a lot of space to work with, right? Yeah. It looks so nice and neat and organized. Alright.
Do you want your carpet?
No, I'm removing the carpet.
Do you want to remove it today?
Fuck it. Yeah.
Oh, we got to get all the wires out and stuff first. What the?
Look.
What is this?
What is what? That's the antenna.
Oh. What does HKS stand for?
Hot. Korean.
Whoa, calm
section.
down, Jamal.
Well, we're both gonna start just tearing out all the OEM wiring. This was good in 1996, but not anymore. And then also, because he has a standalone, I want to see how the wiring's routed for the standalone as well. This officially marks us starting. Yo, chill. Take your seat out, dude.
He was,
Tell you about this
he was
bit you wanted
using
to do?
Bing. He was using Bing.
No, we were on Discord and he's on Bing. I'm just like, why the f you on Bing? Like Google.
This is where I took
It's a black thing that all that stuff is connecting to.
What black thing?
That black
You?
Not gonna rain. Alright, hell no. Hell no, bro. Yo, come on, bro. Come on.
What?
Yo, Luke. What? Why your sister just
Don't ask questions.
I'm a genius, bro. Look at that drift squad.
Today is Tuesday, it's after Christmas, and it's not raining.
You gonna tell them Merry Christmas or what?
I was going to, but I don't know if I should because I don't know if it's after
Well,
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Oh, Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
I ended up removing a good portion of the passenger up to the driver. I'm currently tackling this. So we're probably going to snip it because it's easier. Take off the carpet and this because I'm going to get the whole interior painted. So it's going to be fun.
Blame yourself. No, don't cut now, man.
What? Oh, this was for an accessory.
Shark Boy?
Lava Girl?
It's aftermarket sound that name, which we're taking out, right?
Yeah,
Are we oh yeah, because you gotta paint it. I tell him to make a pigtail
And this is what we get.
Do you have that blade?
I weigh one. Let's see. Oh my God! You dropped the airbag.
I did. 213.
Oh, you lost 20. At 213. So what? 180. 213. Like 30. 32 pounds.
32.
About. That feels way more than 32 pounds. That's a lot of weight though. We are finished for the day and we're about to go eat. And I'm taking my S14. And he's not taking his S14. Now we have to do some testing, which hopefully we'll do soon at our local spot. If you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit the like button. And then if you're not subscribed and you want to see more of the S14, make sure you subscribe below. See you guys in the next one. Peace and thanks for watching.